The businessman sat on a chair waiting for his job interview. The student sat on a chair in the library and prepared for her university exams. The man sat on the ground with a small white table in front of him. The group of friends sat around the table and chatted together. The male banana sat next to the female banana. The cat sat at the dinner table waiting for its dinner. The woman sat in the driver's seat. She was sitting her driving test. The man sat on the couch with the dog on his lap. The dog sat down and celebrated his birthday. The old man sat in the chair and was pushed around by the nurse. The students sat on the grass in the park and studied for their exams. The woman sat down on a box under the water with her luggage next to her. The old couple sat down on the bench next to each other. The family sat down together and watched TV. The bird sat down on the branch. The woman sat on the beach and meditated while the sun was rising. The woman sat down in the field full of daisies and breathed in the fresh air. The businesswoman sat on the table and meditated in the lotus position. The woman sat on the green bean bag. The dog sat at the front door waiting for its owner to return. The couple sat beside the radiator because it was so cold in the house. The woman sat down and waited for her flight to arrive. The tourists sat in their deck chairs at the beach. Santa Claus sat down in the shopping trolley. The man sat down at the end of the pier. The pregnant woman sat down on the sofa. Santa Claus sat down on the deck chair at the beach and admired the scenery. The boy in the green t-shirt sat on the bike and looked backwards. The woman sat at the side of the pool. The woman sat on the sand in the moonlight. The old woman sat on the stair lift as it took her up the stairs. The woman sat down on an exercise ball. The girl sat on the fence and meditated. The passenger sat down on his seat and fastened his seatbelt. The group of friends sat on stools at the counter of the coffee shop. The woman sat in the armchair. The businesswoman sat down on the swivel chair.